Hey, gang gliders. So to keep you guys, to make things easier for how to customize your custom request in terms of Zapier works with WhatsApp. It took me like 1 week to be able to, complete the whole scenario and to be able to send through the custom webhooks because there's no API integration directly from Zapier to Twilio. However, in our case, to make things easier, since Zapier is already integrated with Glide, so you're going to go to create a custom request with the method post. Do not use the post method. Use the post custom request. It's totally different. And this is to be able to control the data that's going to be sent to Twilio to be able to send it to the WhatsApp servers. So what happens here, you go to the basic authentication through your Twilio account. You're going to find this in your account. And for security reasons, I can't show you guys all the details. So you have to find it yourself. I'm going to try to post the links where you can find this. And this is the authentication token where you inquire and require, and you can use Twilio support to be able to check them out. And then this is the most important part here. Then the WhatsApp here, when you do the kind of, sending and receiving the messages, you have here to specify the sender. The sender is the number that you're going to rent from any of these partners, whether it's going to be WhatsApp through Twilio or ManyChat or anything. And the body is going to be the message that's going to be sent. You will be able only to add the message in the brackets, which is the placeholder. I'm going to try to show you this placeholder. Here you go. So as you can see, this is the placeholder where you can only edit. So you have to take the body of the message, good news, items reorder, the between brackets here, the 1 and 2 are the messages that you are allowed only to change within the template message. And this is the conversational message that you are allowed to do anything with it. There is no template, there's no requirement. As you can see here, you can require and respond to the client with any text. There is no any kind of templates that you need to use. However, in here, for the first message, which is going to be in the 24 hours window, it has to be identical exactly. An extra dot, an extra comma, anything that is different than the template, your message is gonna fail. This is very important, guys, because it was failing for a lot of times, and it was failing because of the message had a new line, and I'm gonna show you the best thing to do it. So to be able to avoid any of these scenarios, you have to go to something called, let me just get you the link. Okay, guys, so the URL called urlencoder.org. These guys can help you, they have an automated tool already that will help you to do this exact identical message. So this is the message. Let's say hi. You can turn on as well here the live mode. Hi, because you have to convert everything, spaces, new lines, and everything. Hi. So the first placeholder is the name of the person or the name of the account they're going to send to. Hi. As you can see, when I pressed enter, it's going to add for you this percentage 0A. So if you're going to use new lines, you have to ensure that your template messages is inserted and already approved from WhatsApp in Twilio. So this is the message, okay? And then you have a new line here, thanks. So when you go take these information, you are only allowed to change whatever is between the brackets here. And as you can see, make sure that this is a direct line without any new lines, even when you send the messages from Zapier. In my case, to be able to avoid this, because sometimes, the client or any users of our apps in Glide, they might send a new line by sending a message normally. So the best thing is you can use the text formatter. It's available in Zapier. And I'm going to try to show you an example. Here you go. So this is remove new line, where you're going to choose to replace and transform any text and find any new line, replace it with a space. And this is to avoid any kind of new lines inserted from any of the users, because it will fail if it's sent by new lines and anything related to that kind of messages. Again, as I said, WhatsApp is trying to ensure, the avoidance of spamming the users through their accounts. And you don't want to get blocked by WhatsApp by any means, because if you got blocked, you're going to get blocked to the business itself from the root, not from the phone number. And this is from Facebook Manager. As you can see here, the two, you're going to have here percentage 2B, and here's percentage 2B. Whenever you insert the number, you have to insert it without any kind of plus or 00 signs for the international code, because if you're going to send something abroad. With regards to the states, you're going to add percentage 2B and then 1 after that, and the number of the phone. And for the 2 as well, you're going to, this is the receiver who's going to receive the phone number from your side. This number is going to be acquired from, you're going to get it as a rented number from Twilio. And here, this is the number of the receiver who's going to get your messages. The process is quite kind of complicated at the beginning. However, but I've been using this for the past 6 months, or actually 4 months, actually, to be more accurate. And it's been perfectly, this is the perfect methodology where you can have everything stable and everything is running smoothly. There is no issues so far. The templates message are working perfectly by this methodology. I had issues before because of the, new lines. Sometimes, the users are sending like, hi, and then they write new space, how are you, and etc. etc. These new lines was, it was failing the trigger of the API. If you have any questions, just post it please in the thread. I'm going to try to respond as much as I can. Thanks.